These are the tools you'll need. Attach the filter to the air inlet and your cylinders to gas port 1, 2 and 3. Plug the PS500 settings thumb drive into a PC. Launch the PS500 settings program. With this program, you can select whether the ABC should calibrate or perform a dump test. Make sure to match the gas inputs with the cylinders you have connected to the ABC. Note: the VOC PID sensor comes in 2 variants. Make sure to select the one that matches your instrument configuration. Press the Generate Settings files to save your configuration. Insert the thumb drive into the ABC to program the new settings. Wait for the red LED to light up. This indicates programming complete. The PS500 must be switched on without any spanner icons on the sensors before the test or calibration can commence.